In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Discord link to your TikTok profile. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Discord application and here tap at that 3 lines icon and from that vertical menu select a server. Next, tap at that 3 dots icon next to server's name and here tap at invite. Now you can tap at copy link to copy invite link to that server, then you can hop out Discord and now all you have to do is open up TikTok, then tap at your profile, tap at 3 lines icon and from here select settings and privacy. Then tap at manage account and here you have to switch your account to business account. So just tap here at switch to business account. If here it says switch to personal account, that means that your account is already business, so you can skip that step. So now I'll tap at switch to business account. Here I can choose any category, tap on next. And that's it, now I have business account. So from here I can tap at edit profile and then I can scroll down and find website field. Here I can tap right there, then double tap and hit on paste, then allow paste to add Discord invitation link to my profile and then tap on save. This field available just when your TikTok profile has more than 1,000 subscribers. If you don't have 1,000 subscribers on your profile, you can still add your link to Discord server to TikTok bio. So here you can tap at bio, remove existing link and then double tap, hit paste and then tap on save. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.